So I'm just gonna start putting everything that I want to take with me like on my bed, and then I'll figure out how I'm gonna pack it up. I mean, I have a backpack in my suitcase. I don't really want to take more than that. It is gonna be me and my two sisters. Today I just wanted to pick out outfits that I'm gonna wear, just kind of make sure that I have an idea of like how much stuff that I'm gonna bring. We're gonna be there for a week, but 2 of those days are basically days of driving, so I just don't want to bring that much stuff. It gives me anxiety. So with that being said, let's hope. I'm gonna try not to fill up more than what my space on the bed is. Since I have it over here, let's just look at this. Ready? I will keep this forever. Alright, now I just have to make sure that every outfit that I pack matches either one of these. I'm just gonna do this because I hate how my hair looks. And so on that note, I'm gonna take a shower now, and then I'm gonna get ready
to take some Depop pictures so that I have things to list while I am at home and on the road.
I already have all the Depop outfits picked out that I'm shooting today. Trying to be a lot more organized with that kind of stuff. I am going to add a couple more things to the pile, but like I said, not too much because I want to pack kind of light so that I can go thrifting while I'm there, because we don't have Savers here in Florida, and
I have not been to Savers in like almost...
Yeah, the last couple of times I went home, I totally did not go to Savers. So it's been almost 2 years since I've been to Savers, so we need to go to Savers. Alright, anyways, I am gonna take a shower. I'll be back. Okay, so like this, I know I'm gonna bring regardless because, like I said, I don't know if the weather is gonna be whatever, but sometimes it gets down into the 60s at night there, so definitely bringing my favorite jacket. It says set free. It is actually a shirt that I got from my church, Christ Fellowship. Shout out. But anyways, this is my favorite shirt. When I first bought this, I literally lived in it for like a week straight, I want to say. At least a week straight, probably longer than that. I even though this is totally like super casual, not something that I would normally wear to church, I wore this to church like the first day after I got it because I was looking at this in their gift shop for like, I don't even know how long before I actually was like, okay, I'm gonna buy it, because it was like $28, but I was like, whatever, it's going to a good cause, so it's totally fine. Okay, so definitely bringing this, and it's my favorite color, aka this has been my new favorite cardigan as I was wearing all morning. Definitely gonna bring this. I do just want to try it on with a couple of outfits just to see how it looks. This little like shopping bag logo kind of thing, and then these are my favorite freaking shorts. I actually had to sew them a couple of times because I got like a rip in the butt, but definitely gonna bring these for sure. We're bringing the shorts for sure. Ooh, when you get that little notification that you've sold something on Depop, when I've already sold 2 things today. So these are this Claiborne jeans. They fit so beautifully So comfy. I could, you know, I could, no, I'm not gonna do that. Be perfect with just sneakers, which is actually, that's so classic and so cute. And like I said, I wanted to try on my sweater with like a couple of looks just to see. It's like, okay, this is super cute. I just love doing this. This is so cute. Like different colors. This is this would be so cute. Okay, I'm getting so excited. So excited to see my mama. Okay. I thrifted this the other day. It's literally from an Instagram brand, I think. It's linen. You can tell that it is a linen. But it is adorable. It's super neutral and it fits so good. And I can wear this one dressed down with the sneakers or with my sandals. Like either one would be super cute. Probably end up wearing it with the sandals. So there's that. Okay. This is my favorite dress ever. Literally my favorite dress ever. I've definitely worn it a lot of times. I can wear this dress with a t-shirt under if I want to. This one, for instance, I could totally just wear this underneath the dress, or if I want to get spicy, I can wear it over the dress. So it's just cute, casual, and it will totally match well with my sneakers. Okay, so for this one, I just kept the same t-shirt and I put it underneath the shirt this time. I put it under the dress this time for a different kind of look, but definitely a versatile, like cute little shirt that I could just wear with like a bunch of different outfits in case I change my mind as to this. I can also wear it like by itself if I wanted to. And I have worn this outfit before with this long sleeve shirt, so I know that that works as well. Okay. I also thrifted this recently, and it has been my new favorite thing. I love this romper and has these really cute, like, poofy sleeves. Look at that. Oh, look at that sleeve. This is for, like, if I'm gonna go to the beach or if it is a lot hotter than I think that it is there. I'm very proud of this thrift because nothing on their website was like less than $100. I feel so blessed when I find things like that at the thrift store because I would never spend that much money on clothes. This would be the 7th outfit, I think. Okay, this is one of my favorite dresses ever. It matches so perfectly with my sandals. This is just so crunchy, so I'm gonna have to iron this, but I'm hoping that once I iron this that the fabric will kind of like, what the fuck, but that's why I'm pretty sure that I friggin' dried this, and I definitely should not have because I'm also not gonna try this on. Swimsuit that I'm bringing, I actually wore this like a week or 2 ago, so I already know that I like it and I'm cool with that. This purse will match like almost every single outfit that I have brought as well. And then I am bringing like a tiny little purse. It's super cute, and then it's also like brown, so it'll totally match like a lot of the things that I brought as well. And this fits inside here. And all of my little stuff is in here, like travel size ibuprofen and chapstick and hand sanitizer and car keys, cards, ID, all that stuff is right inside there. So I have like 2 purses, 3 pairs of shoes, and 8 outfits, 2 pairs of pajama shorts, 1 pair of leggings, 2 t-shirts that I'm gonna wear to bed, the yellow one, and then I'm bringing this one to also wear to bed, Or if I'm feeling like it, I'll wear this out as well because favorite. And then I have my sweater and my jean jacket with the 3 pairs of shoes and all the other shit that I already said. And then we can't forget the unmentionables. These are my running headphones because they're wireless and they're big ass headphones and they're super loud to block out all the noise that's on the streets. Gotta bring the Instax. Also bringing my hair dryer. So all of those things are gonna go in the old suitcase. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then I'm gonna leave my computer out right now because I'm gonna work on some stuff for like the rest of today. I'm keeping out my Bible as well. I'll just put all those in there tomorrow. All right, well that concludes the packing part of this video. I hope that you enjoyed. When you're packing next time that you're traveling, to plan stuff out better, try stuff on before you pack it. That way you don't get there and you're like, I hate all my clothes I brought. Because that's me, like every single time that I travel, I bring stuff with me and then I get there and I'm like, and that's why I end up wearing my leggings probably for like 80% of the time. So that's not gonna happen this time. I'm gonna be looking so cute. All right. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. And like I said, I hope that this will help you in some sort of way when you're packing next time that you're traveling. I don't know how much of that's really gonna be going on right now. All right, I love you and thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please come back next Thursday for another video from me. Comment down below if this was helpful because I wanna know. All right, bye!